Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Flathead Lake, clearest water on earth. The very last person on your mind before you fall asleep is either the reason for your happiness or your pain. Jackie Chan got his name Jackie in Australia in 1976. Bluetooth technology was named after a 10th century king, King Harald Bluetooth. 7,70,000 people living in England cannot speak English well. Japanese passport is the most powerful passport in the world. If you build an army of 100 lions and their leader is a dog, in any fight the lions will die like a dog. He is one of the most sensational model and photographer of 2019. Some areas in Scotland and Japan switched to blue street lights at night and saw a decrease in crime and suicide rates. Sometimes the chains that prevent us from being free are more mental than physical. If you add 250 ml of alcohol and 250 ml of water, the restaurant mix will be 480 ml, not 500 ml. The zonkey is a hybrid cross between a zebra and a donkey. When the ocean decides to return some of the garbage you put in it, local and scientists in Iceland just held a funeral for its first glacier lost to climate change. According to a study, strict parents can turn their kids into more effective liars because children who are afraid to tell the truth learn more deceptive behaviors to avoid getting in trouble. Never say sorry to another driver after a car accident. It's an admission of guilt and could be used against you in the court. Switzerland got the crown as the cleanest country in the world 2019. The lost Egyptian city Heraklion was found after 1200 years under the water. This is the final test of self-control for police dogs. Norway is the fattest country in the world with 95% of its population overweight. It took 200,000 years for the human population to reach 1 billion. In the Netherlands, they built a bridge so the river can cross the street. A hippo's wide open mouth is big enough to fit a 4-foot tall child in. According to a study from the Oxford University, women with bigger butts give birth to smarter children. Charles Aurier clicked the most famous wallpaper of all time. Men generally forget or don't think about the issue once it is over, but women do. Talking to yourself while working makes you less attention wandering. Mr. Narendra Singh Company, the father of fiber optics, just because of him we are surfing high internet today. Even the smallest amount of alcohol placed on a scorpion will make it go crazy and sting itself to death. Sunrise over Mount Fuji cast a 15-mile long shadow. There is a tree in Alberta, Canada that died in 1970 is still standing today without any sign of rotting. According to traditional myth, an itchy left hand indicates you will lose money, an itchy right hand indicates you will receive money. Choices made in anger cannot be undone. Maravante Road, 34 miles from Udupi, is one of the must-visit places in India. India's Marine Commandos Marcos are on the deadliest special forces in the world. The video game industry makes more money than the film and music industry combined annually. When you drop a magnet through a copper tube, it falls slower than usual. When Jono Langster was just 36 hours old, he was given up for adoption because of his birth defect. This grandpa has celebrated his 146th birthday. Eating grapes improves the brain ability to process new information and thus enhances intelligence. A lycnobite is someone who sleeps all day and works at night. A young 24-year-old CEO took over a $9 million company, fired all managers and gave power to the employees, now has a turnover of $200 million. The bird's name Surakav, 19 photographers took 62 days to capture it perfectly. The reason you wake up just before you die in a dream is because the brain does not know what comes after death. Thanks for watching.